And there was a train every 30 minutes, sometimes 2. Hey, good morning. I am on my way to Vassar from Pomona. Slept in the city park last night. It was not the most restful sleep. As you can hear right now, there's a train going by. And there was a train every 30 minutes, sometimes 2. They were blowing their horn because they were coming through. Hello, Mr. Rabbit. Look at my buddy over here. And so yeah, it was hard to get restful sleep. And then, I don't know, it must have been about 2 o'clock. I had a raccoon that he decided he wanted to come in and visit. I wasn't going to have any of that, so I yelled at him and hit the side of the tent, and he growled at me a little bit because I was inhospitable, and then took on off. I didn't see him again. I got up this morning, went to Casey's, got some donuts, got a cup of coffee, and now I am back out on the trail. So about 10 miles today to Vassar. There is a ranch there. After that, I'm going to try to get in some longer miles over the next couple of days. It's supposed to be cooler. In fact, they're talking about it's 40% chance of rain here in another 30 minutes. The sky does look a little cloudy, but it isn't hot, and that's a blessing. Good day to be out on the trail. Is there a day that's not a good day to be on the trail? I don't think so. Let's go walking together. Still trying to figure out how much I enjoy this. There's some pretty sights along the way. This is just a very different way of hiking. It may not be for you, but then again, it may be. And especially as I get older, I gotta tell you, my knees have not hurt, my back has not hurt, my lungs don't really starve for air, but you just start to get tired at the end of the day instead of feeling beat up. I know I've said it before, but I think it bears repeating that this Flint Hills Trail is the longest contiguous section of tall grass prairie that remains. And of the 170 million acres of tall grass prairie that once stood, now only 4% remains. I can't help but think, as we continue to enjoy these trails, that the responsibility upon us to be good stewards, so not just we can enjoy it, but generations and generations. My grandson is 4 years old. One of the reasons I hike these trails is so that I can physically stay in shape, that someday I would love to be able to take Sam and hike together. I want him to see this beautiful nature. Trying not to get eaten up by these mosquitoes, but what a neat little water spot. All these lily pads. Never seen anything quite like it. See the ridge up there of these hills. Now we're walking down in between sections of it, but Kansas isn't flat. These Flint Hills are beautiful. Here you can get a little flavor of these layers of sandstone that has the flint mixed into it. The softer shell is washed away, and you have these cavities in here. So that's how these Flint Hills were formed. That this sandstone has, and you can see this darker in here. You can see the flint. Sometimes it's called chert, and you can see that it's sort of layers on top of layers. I've made it to Vassar, and I'm here at the Salt Creek Ranch. Sort of a short day today, although I have done really about 12 miles because I went past the trailhead at Vassar Road. And if you're going westbound, you'd make a quick left and then a quick, very, very quick right. And go past a couple of buildings and then up the hill. And then you have this long driveway going back here to the ranch. And so looking forward to having a short day today, and then tomorrow morning getting up early and looking at possibly going to Osage City. I'll let you know when I look at the map, sort of see what I'm doing. But for today, I'm looking forward to sort of putting my feet up a little early. It's been a good day. It didn't rain. It had a forecast of rain. The sky was cloudy when I started, but then it turned beautiful. And now it's just a bit of a haze, but not bad. And temperatures got into the low 80s today. I'll take it. All right, well, let's go on in to the Salt Creek Ranch.